Hello YouTube, I'm David with the Being Good People channel. Catkins, this time of the year they're everywhere. They're in the house, they're on the porch, they're on the deck, they're in the yard. You can clean them up one day and the next day they're back. This is my continuing war on catkins. Let's try it with an empty BIC this time. We'll stick it right on down in here, close to where that mini ferro rod resides, and the striker. All right. Now if that doesn't gum up the works of that striker wheel, we should get ignition. We'll stick it down right up next to that striker wheel and go for it. Almost. I thought it'd be easier than this. But this just goes to show you this is a great coal extender, but it takes some time to warm it up, get it hot enough, develop the ember to where it can be self-sustaining. That one was close. Maybe I'll try waving it this time so it can have constant airflow. Like I said, it takes a while to get leaves hot enough, especially straight off the ground, to burn and sustain themselves. We got it done though. Took several tries to get that empty BIC to ignite those handful of Catkins. I know if I practiced with it some more, I could get it my ignition a lot quicker. All right, y'all. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.